Hello YouTube team, my name is Marlo Oliverio and this is my channel Kapwayahay, and here's my channel URL. I am submitting this appeal regarding the reuse content decision. I want to apologize because some of my previous videos were re-uploaded and not originally mine. I understand that this was against YouTube rules, and I take responsibility for that mistake. I have now removed or replaced all non-originally videos, and moving forward 100% of my content will be fully created by me. Here is how I now make my videos. I record my own clips, I write my own ideas, I do my own voiceover, and I edit everything myself. I am committed to the following YouTube's policies and creating original content from now on. Thank you for reviewing my appeal. Bye.